Hi people. I'm doing reels. Nordia Bryan, me say me grudge if you I don't know what kind of sweet potato and a sweet potato that. That look like a Irish potato bread. And yeah, say when you come there your neighbor just a show you good face. A son neighbor fi stay. You have some neighbor every day. You see them act like them in a heels. I walk and them not in a no heels. Them act like say them better than you, like them in a heels, people. Me have my neighbor here, so me just come live and they not talk to me. I don't do nothing, but they feel like they in higher heels. So me like the neighbor them we can show to the neighbor, because especially when that neighbor alone live by themselves over next door, that neighbor supposed to keep friends in the neighborhood, like next door neighbor, because anything can happen. Another same the neighbor where you fix with them see one jumpy fence or run around the gate go help you. Keep your neighbor close, the good ones. Talk to them, share with them. You know, when me did live a passage road before me come here, so come live people. Like if me go country, me will give certain people yam. Me not going lie. I don't give my neighbor in my house none. Me used to give her, me stop. Because I realize no care how she get the truck full so her things. She don't call me and say you want this. So me look out for who look out for me. That's how I do it. But you have some neighbors very nice to you. Nice back to them. Nice back to them. Because anything can happen, you need a friend indeed. You have a friend you can go over go sit down with your neighbor and chat. Worse is a big people and like young